The 2-9 circuit is designed to minimize noise impact on the airfield's surroundings. It stays outside the village of Littlewick Green, while staying inside of the group of houses on the left, Knowle Hill, Birchett's Green, and Stubbings House Nursery. By staying close and parallel to the A404 straight, the downwind leg minimises overflight of Maidenhead and its nearer suburbs, while base and final pass over open country. Following takeoff, at the end of the runway, turn right 10 degrees. Climb straight ahead until you can clearly see the village of Littlewick Green to your right. To the left of the village, you'll see a petrol station, and from circuit height, looking right to the north of the village, a large greenhouse or glasshouse. Crosswind and downwind turns should be made around these buildings, keeping them closely to your right. Turning downwind, look for the straight section of the A404 motorway, and flying parallel, keep this closely to your left. Note the field pattern in front of Stubbings House. The downwind leg should not cross the left half of the highlighted field. Ensuring that you do not fly close to the M4 motorway junction, turn base when abeam the large wood to your right. At the end of the wood, a turn to final completes the 2-9 circuit.